Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the Microsoft Word 2016 video lesson series. We have learned a lot and we are learning a lot. In future lessons, we will be learning more and more concepts of Microsoft Word. I hope you are enjoying this video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about links, how you can insert external link or a web link into your document. Link is used when you want to specify a reference of your content. If you are creating article on Mahatma Gandhi and you have taken some references or you have taken some data from particular website, then you can specify your link, your reference by using this link feature. It is really meaningful and useful feature. So let's see how you can insert link in your document. There are two ways to insert link in your document. First one is by this link section and another I will teach you later. So let's see how you can insert. Click on to this link button and it will open up one new window or new pop-up in which enter display text. Display text is a text which will be displayed into your document instead of native link, raw link. So I am just inserting Mahatma Gandhi. In this text box, you have to enter your link address. So I am going to Wikipedia page of Mahatma Gandhi. Copying this link by just pressing Ctrl+C and pasting it here. So now my link and display text is inserted. Now click on to this insert button and link will be inserted in your document. To open link in your browser, you can press Ctrl key and click onto this link. So it will open up your link in your browser window. Another way to insert link in your document is very easy. I am removing this link and adding title, references. Now copy your link and paste in your document. Press space or enter key and link will be inserted in your document. But it won't have display text. If you are good with this technique, then it's fine. But if you want to change display text, then select this link and go to this link section and change display text like Mahatma Gandhi and press OK button. So now that link is inserted with display text. So this is about link. Thank you very much.